Psalm 16. Keep me safe, O Lord, for in you I take refuge. I said to the Lord, you are my Lord. Apart from you I have no good thing. As for the saints who are in the land, they are the glorious one in whom is all my delight. The sorrows of those will increase who runs after other gods. I will not pour out their reputations of blood or take up their names on my lips. Lord, you have assigned me my portion and my cup. You have made my lot secure. The boundaries lines have fallen for me in pleasant places. Surely I have a delightful inheritance. I will praise the Lord who counsels me. Even at night my heart instructs me. I have set the Lord always before me. Because he is at my right hand, I shall not be shaken. Therefore my heart is glad and my tongue rejoices. My body also will rest secure. Because you have not abandoned me to the grave, nor will you let your Holy One see decay. You have made known to me the path of life. You will fill me with joy in your presence, with eternal pleasure at your right hand.